Okay, so today is day 286 of web development, and today I decided to replicate maybe just the first row of this grid. I really like it, so I just want some grid practice. So that's what I'm gonna do. So first things first, we're gonna start with our HTML. So doc type HTML, put our HTML tags. At this point, I don't even bother writing the head tag. I just do the body because I don't really use the head tag, especially if I'm coding in CodePen. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have a div, and I'm going to give it a class container. So you can think of as divs, if you're new, you can think of divs as like boxes. So just so you know what I just did, we're going to visualize it. So I'm going to give it a border of 5 pixels, black, solid. Solid means a solid line, so it's not dotted. It's 5 pixels and the color is black. Now, the reason it's so close is, or so small, is because we haven't given it a height. So I'm going to give it a height of 100 VH. So that's 100, I guess, of the vertical height of the screen. So that's the container. So that's this right here. So our grid is going to be inside that container. So I'm going to have basically all our elements. I'm going to give it a class card. So because we're basically doing a card UI, user interface. So in the card, well, let's ignore this first card, but over here, the first thing I see is a thumbnail. So I'm going to give it actually, let me first visualize what the card looks like. So card, I'm going to give it a border of 5 pixels, red solid. And that's what it looks like so far. So inside the card, we're going to do, okay, so inside the card, the first thing I see is a thumbnail. So we're going to create a div, and we're going to give it a class called thumbnail. And I'm going to give it an ID of, actually, no, I'll give the card an ID of card1, and then I'll just leave this as is. And then inside, we have grid content. That's what I like to call it. So I'm going to make it into a new box. I'm going to give it a class of grid content. And then inside the grid content, or inside, actually, I don't want to, it's card content, not grid content, like the content of the card. So it's going to be the title. So the title, I'm just going to copy and paste it. Of course I can't because it's a link. Great. Okay, this is really bad. What in the world? Okay, this might not be the perfect example. I just did it for the grid, so maybe I could just... Ooh, okay, here it is. Here it is. Okay. Okay. Okay, anyway. Yeah, so we're gonna put that in there. And that's gonna be there. I don't know if I want to copy exactly what it is, because I can't copy, it's so bad. I can't copy and paste it. I don't even know. Because look, it's like you can't copy, it's a link, so you can't copy and paste it. So I don't know if I want to make it a link. I don't know, we'll go back to that. So yeah, so that's that, and then we have a little bit of a description. So I'm gonna do a p tag, and I'm just gonna click on it, and I'm just gonna copy the description. It's not, what? This is confusing me. Okay. And then we have like more things. We have like a user. But I'm not gonna do a user. I'm just gonna make another like I'm gonna do an h2 tag, and I'm gonna do @snazzy maps. Okay, and then I think if I can, I always have to go into the, okay, maybe can I, how in in the world? Can I not? Everything is like a link and I can't. I want to copy this image and it's not letting me. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna screenshot it. And I'm gonna save it as 1A. And we could do it in desktop. Leave it at desktop, and I'm gonna create a new folder. And I'm gonna call it day 286. Save it in there. Okay, we'll do the other ones later. So, what happened is that I minimized the tab. Okay, move it to the side. Okay. So that's that. And so over here, I'm going to go to card 1 specifically, and I'm going to target thumbnail. And I'm going to give it a background URL. Oh, okay. So since it's CodePen, I can't upload my images. So what I do is I like to upload them in Pinterest and then just copy the image address. So 1 second. So let me create a pin, drag and drop. Where is day 286 here? Drag that image. I'm gonna do 1A or card 1. This is not logos, but this is, I guess I can create a board. I'm gonna call it nails. And then save, I guess. Okay, see it now. And then what I like to do is I like to just right click and then copy image address, and then I can go to CodePen and I could just paste it right in there. And then the reason you don't see it yet is because it doesn't have a height, so I'm gonna set it to 270 pixels. And then I'm gonna make sure it's a background size cover so that it covers the entire frame. And then let's see if background position will work here. So background position, so it's positioned at the center. I guess. Okay, so that's only one card. That's the second card over here. I skipped the first one, by the way. So we have that. The grid content. So if I go to card 1 dot card content, excuse me, not grid content. I want it, well, it's not really, I want this to be for all of the card contents. So I'm gonna do a background and just black. And then I want the color of everything to be white. Or maybe not. Maybe I want the card content H1, the color can be white. And then the font, actually, interesting. And then we'll do the card content P to be kind of like a gray color, because that's what it is, it's kind of gray. And then we'll do, let's say, a line. Can we do a line height of like 5 pixels? Oops, nope. 1 EM. 2 EM. Okay, let's say 100 pixels. Nope. 20 pixels. I guess, I don't know. We could do a font size. Maybe that's the problem. 10 pixels, that's probably gonna be too small. 20 pixels. I guess. I mean, we could always go to developer tools and figure out what size they used. So, let me see. If I click on this and I do more tools, developer tools, and then it's gonna pop up. And then all I have to do is find where in the world this thing is. Okay, so, don't want that. Okay, so no. So go into the body and then container, and in the container we have a few things. We have a nav bar, but that's not what we want. Here we go. Here it is. Where is it? Inner. Perfect. And inside the inner we have the box. Great. And inside the box we have the thumbnail. Perfect. Ooh, is that... Oh wait, oh my god. Oh my god! This is amazing. Wait, I don't think... Current source. Oh my god, that's amazing! Oh, well, I could have done that too. So I guess we could just change the image to kind of be better quality. Paste that in there. And now it's very nice. It's very nice. It has a better quality. That's really good. Okay, so we'll fix that little gap later. So that's good. We found the image. Okay, and then what I want is the font size for the description. Inner content, I called it card content. So H1, div, paragraph, here it is. Oh, well, we have the paragraph. But for the styles, oh, there's no styles? What the heck? What is, really? Hello, what do you mean no matching styles? Layout, event, no. How are there no styles? Tell me how that's possible. Not even the font size? No way! I did not see, I knew about this, I just didn't know how to get it. Like, you could see the mobile view. Okay, well, turns out I can't even see the font size, so that's fine. It doesn't really matter, we'll just play it by ear. So this is one card, right? Okay, grid content. I want the card itself to just have a background of black as well. Okay, so everything is black. Perfect. And then I'm going to remove the border, and I'm just going to give it a border radius so you can kind of see. I'm going to give it a border radius. Actually, well, obviously I have to have a border in order to have a border radius. Unless, actually I don't. Actually, hold on. Radius of, let's say, 5 pixels. I'm gonna have to have a border for that. So border, 5 pixels, black, solid. And then you can see that it's bordered now. So that's good, right? So we have one so far. We just need to kind of, I don't know, maybe just put the font size of H2. So for card content, H2 maybe, I think it's blue actually. So the color is kind of like a light blue. And it's very, so we don't need this here, but it's light blue and then it's very smaller, so maybe 15 pixels. And it's not, let's say font, wait, it's very, if I made it bold, you can see, I don't know, font weight, I don't want it to be so, so like, it's very bolded. It doesn't matter. Okay. Again, I'm not going to get into that little pop-up that we have here. We're just going to focus on the grid. So that's one card. So this is card content. This is card 1, right? And then what's this div about? So yeah, so this is card 1. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy it, honestly. So I'm gonna do 2, and I'm just going to erase the paragraph. I'm gonna keep the H2 and I'm gonna erase the H1. I'm gonna call this card 2, and move this to card 2. And I'm just going to copy this a few more times. So we have how many in this page? We have, oh, we have a lot. I'm not going to do all of them. I don't have time for that. I'm just going to do like these. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's do 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is going to be card 6. Here we're going to move it to card 6. This is going to be card 5, card 5, card 4, card 4, card 3, card 3. Okay, and then we obviously have card 2 there. Okay, so I'm just going to go into each card and I'm going to get the paragraph for it because I want it to be exactly the same. So, what is with this thing, honestly? Oh, I did. I don't even know. Okay, so card 2, I don't even see it, it's right here. So we're going to paste that in there. Hopefully it's the right thing. Yeah, it is. So that's card 2. Anything else we need for card 2? We can go ahead and grab the image in developer tools. So let me just grab that for myself. So it goes into body, it goes into container, we go into the grid, we go into inner, and then we go into box, and then we go to thumbnail, and then here's the image. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on that, or I could just copy that. And then over here, I'll have to do the same thing for like card 2 thumbnail. I'm just going to paste the image down here. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this, actually, delete that, go down here, paste that in, copy this, paste that, and just change it to card 2. And I'm just going to copy this link and then substitute it for this one over here. Okay, so as you can see, it's going to change. Perfect. Okay, so we have that going on for us. The title itself is reactive. I think it's up here. We could just copy it. So that's going to be in the HTML, if I could find it, honestly. Jesus. Okay, where even are we? I don't even know. Thumbnail. Oh, here it is. So we're going to paste that in there. So that's card content 2. It's going to appear right here. Perfect. Right there. Okay. Don't know why there was G there. Move that. Okay. Moving on to card 3, if I could find it. Okay, here's card 3. So we're gonna have to find a thumbnail for that one. So go back, get card 3. So I think it's Control-Shift-I. Okay, so again, are you joking here? Is this a joke? Here are the styles, but like I don't think they're font size. How about I go? I'm just gonna copy this. Maybe for like the body, I can do like maybe for everything. There we go. There we go. Kind of looks the same now. I just copied the font family because I had no idea what font family they were using. But yeah. So okay, moving on. Let's not count that as cheating. Okay, so the body, we're going to go back to the, where were we? The container, then we're going to go to grid, and then we're going to go into, not grid, where were we? No, yeah, we are going into grid, then we go to inner, and then we go to box single, and then the thumbnail, and then it should be here, and then I should just copy that. And then over here in the CSS, I'm just going to copy this. Paste that, change it to card 3, and substitute this link with this one. And just to save, what did I do now? What did I do now? Okay, and just to save time, what did I do? did I not write card 3? Okay, let's look at what we did. So, card 2, card 3. Yeah, that's exactly what I did. So what's the problem? Did I forget a semicolon or something? I have no idea what I did wrong. Am I forgetting a semicolon? There's something wrong, I just don't know what it is. Oh, there we go. So it should appear somewhere over here. There we go. Okay, so that's good. Now I'm just gonna copy it 3 more times. And then just change it to 6, 5, 4. Okay, we just have to find the thumbnails for those. But then this one actually, we could just copy, go to HTML and copy the paragraph. So remove that, card 3, and then this should be the title. I hate the way it shows. Okay. Where's the title? Okay, here it is. Okay. That's not part of it. Actually, is it? I think it is. Okay, it is. So that's card 3. Moving on to card 4. Card 4. It's this one. So, this is so tedious. Okay, so let me just, oh, it wasn't part of the title, so let me get rid of that showing. Okay, so this is the H1 for card 4. It should appear over here, grid tab. I'm going to copy the description, put it in the P tag, so it should appear right over here, right here. And then we're going to go to Control-Shift-I. Not on this one. I'm going to go to Body, go to, Container. Where's Container? Container over here. Go to Grid, go to Inner, go to Box Single, Thumbnail, and hover over it, and then just get that image. And then go to the CSS, and for card 4, replace that image, and it should be different. Great. Moving on, card 5. Card 5, emoji 1. Isn't that great? So, I'm just going to copy the title for card 5, go to HTML and paste that title in. So for card 5 is over here. So for the H1, I'm going to paste that title in. For the details, or for the description, I mean, we're going to put that in there. And then we're going to go back to Control-Shift-I for developer tools. Go to Body, Container, Inner, where is it? Grid, and then Inner, and then Box Single, and then Thumbnail line, which is right here. Hover over the thing and copy it. And once you're copied, go back to the CSS, and I believe that was card 5, and just replace that with card 5. Perfect. Now we're going to do the same thing finally for card 6. Okay, and that's this one. I check super customized checkboxes. So I'm going to get the title from up here because it's easier to copy. So the title goes here in HTML, so H1, and then I'm going to copy, you know what, I'm just going to copy the first 2 paragraphs because that ain't happening. I'm going to paste that in there. Let me do Control-Shift-I. Elements, I'm going to go to the body, container, then I'm going to go to grid, and then inner, and then the box single, and then, box single, and then thumbnail, and then this one, and then hover over it, and it's just a very tedious process, but we are done, thank God. We're going to go back over here, just gonna replace that. So this is what we have so far. We have a whole bunch of grids that you can't even tell, not grids, but cards, that you can't even tell they're grids. Now, the way we fix this, and also notice that they're actually going over the container, the border over here, like the border stops over here. So the way we do this is we go to the way we fix this, we go to the container, right? And we're gonna give it a display of grid, and that's not gonna do anything because we have to set how we want the grid to be, or how many columns the grid is gonna have. So I'm gonna say a repeat of, let's look at it full screen. So it has, for each row, there's actually 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 columns. So I'm gonna give it a repeat of 4 times 1FR. So 1FR is basically, if you have a container of a width of 100, then it's going to divide it equally amongst 100. 1FR is basically just it's dividing it equally amongst 100. I don't know how to explain it other than that. Like if you have, like a container that's a certain width, 1FR is going to be like one column that's the same size as all the other columns. It's just equally distributing columns. So as you can see, they're the same size, obviously. So now we have that. Good. Now here is the thing. I want it to look a little bit nicer, so we're gonna do grid gap, and I'm gonna do like 1 EM. So yeah, and then I'm gonna save it so I can open it in debug mode, so you can see it full screen. Okay, so we need it to look like, what do we need it to look like? Like this. It's not looking like that right now. So we need it to be very, very smaller, I guess. But yeah, I guess, I don't know, I feel like I need to explain this better. So for grid template columns, you're just basically saying, let's say if the width of this container was 100, right? Then each of these columns are worth like 25 pixels. If the width of the container is 100 pixels, then each of the columns, what we're saying is that each of the columns are going to be 25 pixels because we're dividing 100 by 4, so it's 25 because we're separating into 4 equal columns. So 1FR is just a column that's like going to be the same size as all the rest of them. Okay, anyway, we needed to have a certain height, these cards. So I'm just going to explore the heights. I'm going to do like, let's say a height of 200 pixels. Oh my god, that's horrible. What about 500 pixels? Interesting. And also it's coming out of the container, which is really bad. So the container, I'm going to give it a height of, actually, if I do that, then it's not going to, never mind. What an issue. Interesting. Why is it like that? Do they not all have a class of card? So why is it not taking height? Height 500 pixels. 200 pixels. Interesting. So for the card itself, let's do a border of red. Right? So that's the card itself. The card, I needed to have a, oh wait, I don't know, I don't like it. 500 pixels. Then it's that, which is really bad. I don't do that. It's all of it. If I do 200 pixels, then it doesn't take into account grid content. Oh my god, okay. So 500 pixels. You know what? I should just go over here and apply no margin to everything and no padding to absolutely everything. So that's way it's very much easier. Okay, so 500 pixels, that's what I want, kind of. 500 pixels. Yeah, kind of like that. And then I do want the grid content to have the card content to have a padding, or is it a padding or is it a margin? Maybe it's a margin of 5 pixels. So there's space between. Okay, so that's good. But actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say maybe I could do overflow hidden. Okay, that works. And then let's see. If I open it up here, I reload it. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's pretty good. I'm gonna do, hold on. I'm gonna take this color, because I have a color picker. And where is it, my color picker? I'm just gonna copy this color and then make it the background of my page. Why am I here? Move on. So I'm gonna go to the body and I'm gonna give it a background of this color. I'm gonna save that and look at it. So over here. Okay. I'm going to give the container, I don't want to say min content because then it's gonna shrink. Oh. Interesting. Wow. Wait, oh, it's because I set the grid columns. Okay, never mind. Yeah, I want the container to have a height of min content. Anyway. But it's too big because in over here it's very much, it's so much smaller and it's more larger than anything else. And like the snazzy thing, it's I don't even know. It's very much smaller. And so let's give the container, let's say a margin. Yeah, a margin 20 pixels. It makes it, actually, let's do 50 pixels for all that matters. And let's do a height for the card. Let's change it to like 300 pixels. And then the thumbnail, let's change it to, where's the thumbnail? Oh no. Let's change it to 170 pixels. It's still smaller. Let's go back to the container and make it like 70 pixels, a margin of 70 pixels. That way, save, reload, it looks like that, but I need it to be smaller. So maybe what I can do is increase the grid gap. And then maybe I can have the card, or maybe it's the font size. I honestly don't know. The font size is very, very small. So yeah, I think I'm gonna change the font size of each one. If I could find it, where is it? Okay, it's over here. We're gonna change the font size 25 pixels. That's still a lot. Let's do 15 pixels. Okay, and see, is that kind of similar? Honestly, it is. So 15 pixels. I'm gonna change the height to 170 pixels. So that's kind of, it's still more, I don't like it. Let's change the grid gap to 4. To 3. 4. No, 4. And then change the card height to 370. I think that's working out. So I'm going to start getting rid of the border so we can see it a little bit better. That is so ugly, like actually so ugly. Okay. So, we need to give the grid content like a lot of margin. So, not the grid content, the card content. I always say grid content, I'm sorry. So, card content needs, didn't I add it? Why is it not here? 10 pixels. Oh, and for card 4, I accidentally copied the title. Distance, card 2. I accidentally copied the title. And card 1, I also accidentally copied the title. Okay. And then for card 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I copied a little bit of the title. There we go. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. Why is it doing this? Honestly, where is the... Oh, I knew I did it before. Where is it? Where is it? Right here. See what I mean? 10 pixels. I didn't mean to just do the paragraph. I meant to do everything. So 10 pixels, but I don't think that's enough. There's like a lot of space. So we're gonna do, let's change it to, honestly, let's do like 30. Nope. 20. Yeah. See that? Perfect. Okay. And then from H1 and the paragraph, I need there to be a margin too. So maybe from margin, let's do margin bottom from H1 and let's do 10 pixels. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, I guess. And then the grid itself, I needed to have, or I guess the container, I needed to have a padding of 10 pixels so that the grids are not all up on the thing. Okay, so that's nicer. Yep. And then I don't know what more to do except make it kind of responsive. I want to do this one. So let's go back to our HTML. I'm going to go all the way back up. And I'm going to go to the card content, blah, 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 find the first, where's the first card? Oh, it's over here. So this is a container, and over here, I'm just going to make a div, give it a classic card because it is a card. I'm going to give it an ID of, I'm going to give it like I'm going to give it like a title card thing. Close the div, and inside, there is a title, H1, and it's unheap. There is a description, and it's a tiny repository of JavaScript plugins, and hopefully I spelled all of those words right. Repository? Probably not. I don't even know. And then we have some sort of an order list. Hopefully this is not a nightmare. And we have a list item, and inside I'm sure it's a link. Yes, it is. And ref, it's taking us to where? To whatever this page is. So I'm going to put that in there. And it says get the feed. And then that's one list item. But there's 3 more. So I'm just going to copy and paste. Copy this. Paste that. Share and heap. Is this link not gonna work? Really? Okay, well this one has no link, so we're just gonna leave it as hashtag. So it's gonna be share and heap. And then over here is follow us on Twitter. Okay. And then this is what it looks like so far. Right here. Okay. So I honestly just gonna do this real quick. I'm gonna call it title card, right? So for the title card, I'm just gonna go all the way back up and give some space. For the title card, H1, I'm gonna give it a font size of 25 pixels. I'm gonna give it a color of white. I'm gonna give it a font weight. Really? Really, where is it? Why is it not white? Did I write it wrong? Title card. Oh, duh, it's a hashtag, it's an ID. Okay, color white, font weight, bold. I'm assuming it's already bold. It's already bold, yeah. Why is it, you know what, never mind. And then, just so we can see what box it's in, I'm going to do red solid border. And I want it to be kind of like in the middle. You know what I can do? You know what I can do? I know what I can do. I can make this card, I can make it a flex box. Title, card, display, flex, and justify, just if I can never spell that word. Center, and then align items center. Nice. Now, can someone tell me why in the world is the other stuff not? What? Oh my god. Great. Why is it like that? That's very annoying. Oh, it's because it... Oh. So maybe we could do flex direction column. There we go. Nice, because now everything is on top of one another instead of being next to each other like a row, because it's by default it's row. Okay, so that's good. Now let's see. I want it to be way bigger, so let's make it bigger. So let's do, for H1, let's make it, I don't know, let's try 50. Let's be extreme. Nice. Yeah, I guess we could do that. I don't know. Okay. And then I know there's a pair, the title. So title, not the title, the description. Title card P. I'm gonna do color gray and font size. I think the fonts, I don't even know. Ooh, wait, font, wait. Can I do italic? Wait. How to make how do you even say italicize CSS? That doesn't even make sense. That's not even a sentence. Font style. I'm just gonna copy that, honestly. Don't have time. Font style. There we go, that's very nice. And then let's give it a margin of 10 pixels. Nice. And then for the links, for the unordered list, I'm very excited. Let's do, let's see. Honestly, let's start with title, card, unordered list item A. To remove the blue, let's do text decoration, none. And then let's do color white. I mean, not the blue, the lines. Color white. Actually, they're not even They're not white. They're different colors, aren't they? So one is orange. Oh, this is really annoying. Okay, so we're gonna have to do... I'm gonna give it each an ID. So I'm gonna give this an ID of... What was I gonna give it? I don't know, orange. Or let's do link 1. ID, link 2, and ID, link 3. So, link 1, and just do that. And we can just do orange. Okay, and it's font weight, it's bold, so let's do font weight bold. Okay, now copy, and then link 2, link 3. So I'm pretty sure the next one's blue, then purple. So blue, and then purple. Can I not spell purple? Jeez. Did I do something wrong? I literally gave it different IDs, so what's the issue now? Okay. Now it's all orange. Isn't that great? I gave it an ID of link 1, so what more does it want? What if I move it to be here? And I move this to be here. And I just remove the A. And then I remove the A. You're joking. Is this a joke? Now I'm annoyed. Oh, it's because I never changed. I'm so... Oh my god, Jesus Christ. What did I do now? A. It's because instead of changing... I changed the font weight instead. There we go. This one doesn't have an ID. Okay, can we please fix each other now? Fix ourselves. Thank you. Isn't that great? So, for each title card unordered list item, I need there to be a padding from the top of 20 pixels. Maybe not that much. Let's do 10 pixels. And also, in the HTML, I'm just going to do a horizontal line. And over here, I'm going to do a horizontal line. And I'm going to, is it, yeah. And then maybe, I have never tried this, but can we change the color to be gray? No, maybe so. How about background color? Ugh. Change color of horizontal line in CSS. That's literally what I just did. Tell me now. Tell me that's not what I did. Background color. That's what I just did. Is it already gray then? Gray. If I change it to orange, will it change to orange? It's not changing. Tell me how this works. HR. Maybe I'll do title card. HR. This is annoying. border color. Okay, let's try border color. Nice! Okay, great. And then we also need the border to be very thin. Jesus, not that thin. So I guess we could do it like this. Oh, it's because I never had anything. There we go. But why is it so ugly? Can we do 0.5 pixels? Oh my god, it takes that? What about 0.05? No, really? Well, that's annoying. Okay, it's okay, it's fine. Okay, so that's really bad. I don't know what to do. Let's see. The paragraph for the title, I needed to have just like a width of 20 pixels so that it like goes, oh god, no. 50. No. Let's see. No. 100. No. 150. Yes. I need the text to align in the center. Nice. That's what I wanted, yes. And then, what else did I want? I wanted the unordered list to be the same size as the unheaped thing. Title H1, whatever it's called. Okay, so, the unordered list, right? Where are we? Title card. Where is the unordered list? What? I was so sure I had something. I don't even remember at this point. So, for the title card, unordered list, I need everything to have a font size of 14 pixels. That's really bad. Okay, how about 20 pixels? Okay, let's see how that looks like here. Okay. But see, it's not like that though, so... and it's also in the middle too, and this is really annoying now. I'm not sure. Honestly, and not being able to see these nicely is also annoying me, so let's just go skip to the end. Let's do a media query. Max width 800 pixels, and then change the container, grid template columns to be only 2 columns. Then I like to do 600 to be only 1 column. Save that, and now when we do this, now we can see it nicely. Maybe we could also do, actually let's do, oh, that's why. Why? Okay, where in the world? Oh, that's why. I'm not even in the right one. Okay, reload. No, I said reload, not save. Okay, but it looks nice this way. So, is this a joke? So as soon as it hits, I need it as soon as it hits. Okay, how about 600 pixels? And this one give me 400 pixels. Yeah, that's not working out. Let's do 900 pixels. There we go. Nice. Okay, so now we can kind of have an idea of what in the world are we doing. So okay, so it's really not giving for me. Like, this is really bad, honestly. Okay, Honestly, I literally don't even know. It's really bad. I don't like it. Let's do... Let's make the font size of the unordered list not to be 20 pixels, and so let's have it be 12 pixels. That's really bad. That's really, really bad. Okay, how about I just give it a border to see what we're working with. So let's do 5 pixels yellow. Solid. Okay, so that's what we're working with. So I want that to have a margin of 10 pixels, so it's bigger. And then inside I also want a margin of, let's say, 10 pixels maybe? That's bigger.
The charger's in my bag when you want it.
Okay. Okay, and then, oh, here, I see. We have to target the list. So title card, unordered list, list item, and then set list style to none because there's bulletin points there. So, okay, now that we have that get worked up with, how do I add, how to add icon near link. I don't know that one. I mean, I used to know, I just completely forgot about it. To insert icon, add the name of the icon class to any inline element. I mean, I guess. Okay, maybe I could try that. So, where even am I? So, if I go to, oh, it's upstairs. Did I really just say upstairs? I meant up. Like what? Okay, so, for the link, if we're gonna do a span, maybe a span, move that to be at the end of the list, and let's kind of explore. So let me go all the way up here. Where is it? Where are we? For the things here. So maybe span can have a background URL of Wi-Fi symbol. I don't even care at this point. Well, that's not gonna work. It's not even orange. Baby, baby, how was I supposed to know? Why? Honestly, I don't even know what to do. This is really annoying me now. I want to be over this. Why is this more frustrating than anything I've done today? Picking an icon. Honestly, do we really care how it looks like? I don't know. So let's see. Put that in there. Give it a height 20 pixels and a width of 20 pixels. Or maybe not. Literally, or maybe not. Like, Jesus Christ. What is wrong with this thing? What if I do this? This thing is literally not helping. It's literally not helping me. Background size. Cover question mark. Like, I don't know. Okay, so wait. Where did I ask the question of what to do? Okay, I guess it wasn't here. Did I Control Shift T? No, not here, man. I'm so annoyed. How to add icon near link. No, how do I add an icon to a link? Not the other way around. What? Okay, no, I do not recognize this. Okay. Blah 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 blah. No blah blah blah. Today's fun blah 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 blah. For the love of God, can I not? Like, I literally don't even want this right now. No. Oh my god. Really? Interesting. Let's see. If I go here and instead, no, but that wouldn't make sense. Actually, it would. Hold on. Let me delete the spam. Just add a. That's not gonna work. Hold on. Over here, that was a CSS, not a. Oh my god! Oh my god, it worked! I've never seen that in my life, but okay. You learn something new every day. I mean, I learned it once, I just completely forgot. Interesting. Oh, but that's not what I want. Background. Oh. Interesting. Interesting. How about I give it a width of 20 pixels and a height of 20 pixels. Or not, we could just not do that. Okay, great. How about I don't do this? Interesting. Left center. I don't want left center. I want you to just pop out. Well, this worked. Let's see. I mean, I guess this is fine. I don't know. Background. But I don't want twitter.com. Like, what? I mean, well, oh yeah. Okay, hold up. Oh, that's why it did it automatically. Isn't that crazy? Okay, so if I were to do this, right, a few more times and just go here, put that there, and where's the second? Oh, it has no link. So the second thing doesn't have a link, but what was the thing? It was a share button. I could just do like 3, honestly, at this point. Like, why is this thing so weird? It's annoying me. Icons. Okay, share. I don't even care. I can't bring it to myself to care. Oh, no way. It gives me the HTML. I'm gonna cry. This is so sweet. Why am I... Sorry, stop. Okay, forget about this. This was a good thing, but we're not gonna use it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here and hopefully, maybe if I put it inside, no. Set up a kit. You're joking. That's not happening. Jesus Christ. I know I have to set it up in my HTML. Why can't we just... Why can't you just give me the code? Oh my god, this is so annoying. I just saw it on W3 Schools. W3 Schools icons. Here it is. Well, I don't have that though. Oh no, that's JS. Isn't that JS? I'm gonna cry. Like, at this point, I'm just really annoyed now. Can we please? Jesus Christ. Oh my god, I don't want to be here. Copy. Alright, at this point, I decided I'm not gonna do the icons because I'm so tired and I want to go to sleep. So, I think we're just gonna leave it like this because I really don't care. The whole thing I wanted to do was just copy the grid. I did not have to go into the details, but we'll learn that tomorrow. I just want to figure out where the borders are. I completely, hold on. So the H1, I want to get rid of that border, and then for the H1, I just want to get rid of the border. No, that's HR was H1. Title card H1, I gave it a border. Oh, it's right here, yeah. Okay. Alright. Okay. I think that's pretty much fine. That's exactly what I wanted. And so we're gonna go to container and also get rid of the border. So it looks like that. Okay? And that's what we're going for, or what we try to do. Try to replicate. See? That's a little bit like it, I guess. Okay, so let's upload that. You know what I should do? I should go to the web development template, edit it, and automatically just put a web icon because I do that every day anyway. So now when I click on it, it just gives me a web icon. Upload. Quick downloads. This one. I guess it was a productive day. Replicating grid. Literally. Here is the link to the code. Here is the link to the result. Here is the IDE I used, the languages that I used. What did I do? Practice, I guess. I don't even know. Tags, grid. That's literally all I can tell you right now. Don't have the patience or the time. Put that in there. Delete this. I don't even have, actually I should put the links that I use because I use this one. So filter, the image sources you can literally just copy from the CodePen. I don't even know why I used to put each image there. I meant by day, bro. Filter, come on. No, oh my god. Filter by day. And then filter by day. Okay, so here's the resource, and the question that led me to that was how to change color of HR. Change color of HR in CSS, and then this one is very helpful actually. There's how to add icon near link. No. Okay, so that's today. Oh, and the website that I used to replicate is that. Okay, so that's what we did for today. Now let's make sure that is saved. And then I'm gonna do data science real quick because I haven't had time. 277 April 21st, 2022, Thursday, week 42. I haven't had time to do data science in literally like all these days. Literally, look at that. It's literally all been data frames. Import pandas pd dot, oh, let's do data. Now it's frozen. Great, isn't that amazing? Okay, back to Blender. Let me go here. I'm not gonna follow the tutorial today. All I'm doing, I don't even know, I'm gonna pick an image and I'm just gonna on Unsplash and I'm gonna try to replicate it. Okay, really? Can we not right now? Okay. I think I have I really like lamps, replicating lamps. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? Yeah, I'm just gonna do a bottle because I like doing bottles. Okay, so while this is figuring itself out, I'm gonna start my Blender video.